Everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is, let me get the table topic. The table topic for pick is, what is the difference between innocence and ignorance? What is the difference between innocence and ignorance? Innocence and ignorance. These are two aspects. Your best decision or your worst decision can be result of either ignorance or either innocence as well. While we want to talk about it, what is the difference between is, our objective is to understand and uh, where how can we avoid the ignorance and can do better. So if I talk about why it's important to know, if you know the difference between the ignorance and innocence, you will be able to take better decision. uh, so for example, so let's before we dive into let's try to understand what exactly innocence is, what exactly ignorance is. According to me, innocence is something when you did not or you do not have any bad motive and you do something you do not you just do something you don't expect any outcome sometimes, and you are just innocent. So the best example that I can give is any child. A child is innocent because he doesn't have the ability to think and process to hurt someone, or to, if he steals something, then maybe, like, I'm talking about very small childs, when they learn to walk and then they do several things innocently, and sometimes lie on our face without realizing that you can easily capture their lies. So that is kind of the innocence. Ignorance is something that you deliberately, or you don't see, you just ignore other things. What is the repercussions of it? So the one, you know, weird example that is coming into my mind is about the Hitler's decision to invade Britain, France. Hitler was so ignorant that he was not able to accept his mistakes and take the corrective action. So that hampered his ability. And if he would not have been ignorant, the history could have been very different, right? So it is, now we have separated that what kind of innocence is, what kind of ignorance is. It is very important to identify the difference, and if we know when we are ignorant, when we are innocent, then we can course correct as well. We can able to identify as well, whatever the action that we have taken, we can identify that yes, we might be ignorant here. So so that is what knowing the differences does to you. And if you want to take away the one lesson from this, try to identify that the ignorance and innocence in your day-to-day life, and whatever you do, you will become better in your life. Thank you. Over to you.